Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to earn money on Notion, ways to make money. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Motion and I would like to discuss to you guys different ways for you to be able to earn money using Notion. Now as you know, Notion is a platform that is both simple and complicated when you know a lot about it. You could create very simple things like a simple weekly to-do list to as complicated as very complicated templates where you could start earning money out of them. So in today's video, I will discuss two to three ways for you to be able to start earning money using Notion. Now the first method is the most simple one, is to create and sell your own templates. In Notion, you will be able to create freely anything that you want. It doesn't matter what type of niche, what type of topic. If you have a topic and then if you present it enough using Notion, it will be a viable source of income that you could start selling on different platforms such as Shopify, Gumroad. Gumroad is one of the best platforms to start selling online or rather digital products. And templates of Notion is one of those things. And you could earn a lot of money if you create a really amazing output in Notion that you could just simply upload in Gumroad for you to sell. So that's one of the ways that you could do it. And you could easily do it by using the different available features or different available things that you will be able to do. The different things, you have text, pages, to-do lists. Those are the basic things. You have tables, callouts, link to pages, and that's not all. You have AIs. You could use all of these AI tools that is available over here, which should really help with how you will be able to present your topic or your idea in Notion. Aside from that, you are able to freely add medias, web pages, videos, codes, even codes. So this is a great place to also set up as a computer science or an IT to set up your portfolio or just to showcase the codes that you want or to create a section where you will be able to manage different things. There's also databases. You could also add databases. So there's so much things that you will be able to add and also integrate into Notion. As you can see, there's different platforms here as well. So the only limitation that will actually limit you from creating your amazing template that you can sell on Gumroad is your ability to creatively compile different features and create something very unique and very useful. So that's the first method. So the second method that I would like to talk about is actually the affiliate program. Notion has their own affiliate program, which would allow you to earn affiliate income through the affiliate link that would be provided to you. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to refer Notion to your friends and followers and earn 50% off all referred payments. So for example, I have a friend and I have referred them Notion. And if they upgraded their plan, if they like Notion enough and then paid for any of these upgrades that is available over here, I am subjected to 50% off all referred payments. So it doesn't matter which payment or who it is, I will be able to get 50%. So for example, we have the $10 over here per member per month. So if I invited 5 of my friends and they all accepted it, so in total that's that's $50 and 50% is $25. So I will be able to get $25 out of just simply inviting 5 of my friends or 10 of my friends. And there's also an explanation here. Basically, you're going to visit Notion.so affiliates and you could join the program by becoming an affiliate. Over here, you're promoting Notion to your audience. If you have websites, if you have blogs, if you're a YouTuber, if you're someone who has a lot of audience, this will be very useful for you, especially if you are all under the same niche and you would suggest this platform for the specific purpose of using it for your job or something like that. And you could get payments over here, as you can see, with no limits for the first 12 months. So that's a really great place to get a simple income without having so much things to do. You're just simply going to promote it and invite people to use it. And as you can see here, who can apply? It can be bloggers, writers, entrepreneurs, educators, media networks, email newsletters, content creators, and many more, as you can see here. So there's a lot of information over here. Of course, the higher or the more expensive their plan is, the higher you will earn. So Now, I have just discussed two methods. So we have the affiliate program and we have the selling the template over here. Now, one way, although not directly, one another way for you to be able to earn money, or rather help you earn money in Notion, is simply using it for your existing job. Notion is a great place to organize and manage a lot of information. You could manage your different tasks, separate it, and basically make your real life work easier. Assuming you have other work beside what we're trying to do, where you want to start earning solely on Notion. If you're someone who has an existing job, for example, a great job example for this one that would make Notion a great platform to use is being a virtual assistant. Now, being a virtual assistant is both complicated and easy because you could earn a lot of money just by being a virtual assistant compared to other jobs, but the work also depends. So the workload depends on the client, of course, if they have or do you want you to do a lot of things. And things might get complicated along the way. There's so much information, so much things, and sometimes you might forget to do a specific thing. So using Notion to help you manage your different things is very important and very great. You will be able to manage your to-do list, manage your monthly budget, and many different things. It all depends, of course, on your creativity, on your Notion templates. You could create things that would basically help you automate or simplify difficult jobs that would make you work longer, take you longer to finish. And using Notion, it might help you finish those jobs much quicker, allowing you to basically gain more trust or gain more capabilities and allow your client to know that you are a very dependent person. And maybe you don't know, you could even ask for a raise because of how efficient you're doing things through Notion. And aside from that, you can also use it for personal use. Although it won't really help you earn money, you might be able to use it with saving money. As you can see, there's also things such as budget over here. You could add budgets that would allow you to budget your prices, budget your rent, all of those things. You will be able to manage all of this information inside of our Notion over here. So as you can see, not only will you be able to earn money, you will be able to help you earn money with your current job, and you will also be able to save money using Notion. So a quick recap. So the first method is to sell your templates. Create a very good template that you think would help a lot of people. You could sell it in Gumroad. You could sell it on other platforms that supports digital products. It all depends on you, but I would suggest Gumroad because mainly most of their things are for digital products. You have 3D stuff for your paintings and all of those things. And secondly, we have our Notion affiliate program over here. You can easily join that, and of course, using it for your current jobs and personal usage. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.